Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm doing another unboxing video. Today this is really a box, not just an envelope, and this one comes from Japan. I was lucky, I bought this pen, it didn't go through the customs, or better, it went through the customs but no taxes were applied, so nice thing. This is a pen that I bought for my collection. Of course, I will review it and write about it on the blog. I really think this is a beautiful pen, but let's see inside because we'll see it for the first time together. So, first of all, let's open it here. I hope today I won't make too much noise opening the package. Sometimes I do and it's not that pleasant for people watching the video, but okay. So now here we have the box, and inside the box some nice Japanese newspaper with Japanese characters. Always nice to see, at least for someone in Portugal like me. We never have real access to this kind of characters. It's nice. So here we have the pen. It is inside this box. This is a nice box, and let's open it. Okay, and I think the noisy parts are all gone now. It opens here. Nice box. This was bought from eBay. I will put the link to the eBay seller in the description below. I will even try to find a similar one and put also a link to another pen like this, if there is any at eBay at that given time. And this is very well packed, and I'm really anxious to see the pen itself. It was another plastic sleeve. It falls down to the floor, and now more bubble wrap. And yes, this is well packed. And here we go with bubble wrap, and then we have a little bit of yellow paper. Let's see if I can rip this, and I don't think so. This paper is really strong. Okay, let's try now. And yes, here you can see the pen, the finish of the pen. This is the barrel, and I think you started to guess what this pen really is. And in my opinion, this is a beauty. This is a Pilot Elite, but in a different finish, which is this cross-edged finish. I think the pen is made of aluminum. It is quite light, but it has this very nice cross-hatch pattern. Very nice. So let's see the nib and if everything is okay with the pen. This is very smooth, the uncapping, and it has this very beautiful nib. There is a little piece of plastic or something. Here you can see the nib, very reflective, very beautiful, really beautiful nib. And as you can see, this is a Pilot Elite. I already reviewed one like this, a modern one, the Elite 95S. And okay, I'm really speechless looking at this. Let me just see if it comes with a converter or anything. No, it doesn't. Maybe it didn't. It wasn't said on the auction description. I can't remember, but I have some converters there. I also have a few cartridges, so there's no problem. I will link this pen up, and in a few days I'll make a review of this beautiful pen. Maybe I'll even do a comparison between these more vintage Pilot Elite comparing with the modern one. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. If you liked, please come back to see more. I'll be posting videos often, as I've been doing the last times. So please subscribe our YouTube channel to always have a lot of new content to see. I hope you like this. I hope you really will subscribe us, and see you next video. Bye.